Hey, it's business broker Dave. Quick tip for small business owners. Have you ever wondered what the secret sauce is in business? I mean, if you look at statistics, go to the SBA.gov, about 80% of businesses fail in the first couple of years, even more than that as we go down the line. What is the secret sauce? Is it working hard? Is it having the right product or service? Is it being in the right place at the right time? Is it being just lucky? All those are ingredients, of course, but a commonly overlooked metric of the business and what the business actually is your employees. Now, it doesn't matter for tax purposes if you're doing them as W-9, 1099s, using virtual assistants, or even a bot that you have an electronic format. The concept is still the same. You're leveraging your time in order to achieve more. It's a leverage of capital, human capital in this point of view. All big companies do it, and this is how they're able to maximize profits. Now, I'm not going into the economics or the political realm of what's right and wrong. I'm just trying to illustrate a point of the importance of having quality employees. Now, what's a quality employee? Well, there's lots of factors that will go into it. One factor is just having a great attitude. Let's face it, as a business owner, you've probably run into multiple personalities. You may have one that can do the job great, but might not come in with the best attitude. You might have another one that comes in, does things pretty much okay, might screw up a little bit here and there, but really has a great attitude. Now take a step back. Ask yourself, which would you rather work with for the next year, 5 years, maybe 10 years? I think you know the answer. The moral of the video is to understand that although economies, both in and outside of your control of your business, will fluctuate just like the rivers going up and down, the one thing that's going to remain constant is the feeling and how you have a comfort level of your business and how this is directly attributable to the quality of your employees. Going a step further, it is very difficult to let people go in business. But if your employees are not part of the overall vision or holding back your other team in that vision, you have to separate it. Also, you have to be able to let go of wearing all the hats sometimes. A lot of times us as business owners want to wear all the hats all the time, do everything. Well, you're defeating the purpose of having a business, which is to leverage time. A lot of people think it's about making money. That's important because without a profit, you won't be staying in business. But it's not why you're in business. You're in business to leverage time, period. The way that you do that is harnessing the power of good employees that all have the same common goal, which is making the business the best that it can be. So when you're looking to buy a business, look at the numbers, obviously. Look at the product, look at the market, look at the overall economy, look at the return on investment. There's a lot of things you're going to look at. But don't forget to look at the employees, not just what they're doing, but the attitudes that they're doing it with and how they're involved in the operation of the company. If you have a business that has phenomenal employees, being a business owner, an entrepreneur, is going to be the happiest thing that you're probably going to do in your life. On the flip side, if you have hiccups and are always dealing with babysitting, negative attitudes, or putting out forest fires, being a business owner is going to be the worst thing that you're ever going to do. I hope this helps whoever's watching it. And just so I put it out there, I personally think employees are the holy grail of the business. That's why I'm standing in front of good old Indiana Jones as he looks for the holy grail also. Hope this brought you some value. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Always looking for positive people to follow my channel. Get the word out. Thanks again. This is Business Broker Dave. Have a great day.